Africa dua niko bakorire Egeikaro mucho Nairobi aiga asense ya Kenya iri gokwanera emechando ebiama bia gesiasa bigwetera nechinchera barache kugayana emechando yo moigo yo nigo bono oariganigwa ne kiama gia Kenya African National Union KANU asomonyakero gobo Gideon Moi hairari baga erio nakobagera mbuyamona sogwanchirana okubwaterana ukona gokora Egeikaro aiga ase omucho Nairobi asense ya Kenya line tinyambane no arenga asense meyo robotiro ya senchero bwikira
Kiama gia Democratic Union of Africa gosedua gia korire Egeikaro omucho Nairobi Egeikaro KIO kiaragwa ne kiama gia KANU NIGO gikiranwa na barai ao kurwa chinse cha Africa boigo imeyense omonyakerogo bwe kiama gia KANU Gideon Moi ni garuro kobole GESIASA barai abo kwene kiankobeka bari chinkwana chabo koba ebikoro erigokonya chinse cha Africa.
This means pursuing cooperation that is equitable, partnerships that are mutually beneficial, and alliances that respect the sovereignty and aspiration of African nations. We must hear today at a time of great change, we meet here today at a time of great change and admittedly great uncertainty. Across the world, we are witnessing the rise of radical populism, the export that exploits division, the resurgence of extreme nationalism that thrives on fear, and the erosion of democratic values that once bound nations together. Yet this moment also presents an extraordinary opportunity, for center-right movements such as ours to demonstrate that democracy, liberty, and economic prosperity are not competing ideals, but complementary pillars of a just society.
Omorai we kiama gia Democratic Party Justin Muturi oyuikirana ase Egeikaro KIO otebire okubwaterana koreo igatie chinse cha Bongereza amone chinse cha Africa igokogendrete gukinya obwamate.
As we gather under the vision of a balanced future, let us reflect on how African political parties, as agents of democracy and policy direction, can rise above national boundaries to shape a common African position in global engagements, especially with our partners in Europe.
Chingakie checho abarai abo bagikeiri bokongu okuonereriwa kugendete kwenekigwa ase chinse cha Africa gochia asa abarai bari bakwamereria serikali anene ase bakwanere aliagendrete imeyense ya Buganda amoneri ya Tanzania.
Decision leader is an attack on all of us. Defending the rights and freedom of everyone at any time is non-negotiable. Tundulus's arrest and the treason charges and the continuing repression of Dr. Besigye are assaults on democracy, justice and civil liberties. When opposition voices are jailed, when dissent is criminalized, when court rulings are ignored, democracy is not just weakened, it is wounded. Now I call on the government of Tanzania and Uganda to uphold the rule of law, respect human rights, and release all those detained for exercising their political freedoms.
Bono nigo batebire ogochererwa na okuonererigwa kwa bantu ime ya Africa negento gietiru ne chingaki no gosemeria nkorororo kuchia ase aba Africa kurwa ase obosombobo. Koripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa aso mucho Nairobi erietariane Linet.